Hello, I want to show you how to protect your grapes from birds. As you can see, those are red flame seedless grapes, and they are just starting to ripen, which means very soon they're going to be a target for birds. So I'm going to show you how to protect most of your grape bunches. As you can see, I have a bunch in here. Pardon the pun, a bunch. Bunch of bunches. Yeah, tons of grapes in here. I want most of them to not get eaten by birds. I'll show you a strategy to protect most of them, and then I'm going to recommend something that you might not expect. And I'm going to show you the product I use for protecting my grapes. So in my other hand here, I'm holding a bunch of seafood bags. Let me see if there's a description label on this guy. I bought this last year, so it's gotten a little bit of sun damage, but as you can see, red plastic mesh produce and seafood bag. So package of 100. Let me show you what these look like. Don't even think about it. He just wants to chew on these. So these bags are red, and I tried a few different colors when I first bought them. And you're probably gonna guess, when I wrap this around the fruit, it scares birds. I'll cover up all the grape bunches except for like one or two. And those are basically gifts to the birds for, being birds and helping to eat insects and whatever else birds do to keep balance in my garden. So I'll leave one uncovered or two uncovered, 2 bundles of grapes uncovered for them. But the rest of them I'm gonna protect so they don't destroy all of them. And I'm gonna pause this for a second because I'm gonna need both hands to do this. But you're gonna open this up and just put it around the grape bundle. So I'll show you that in just a moment. All right, so that's what it's gonna look like when it's done. Just wrap them around the fruit. This is a really simple process, and it's actually a good activity that you can get family and kids involved with. It's good to teach them how to do things like this. So I'm probably gonna get them to come out here and do the rest of these with me just so they can learn how to do it. But basically that protects your fruit, like I said, from getting devoured by birds and things like that. So. Good job, Blakely. It's okay, you can actually, if there's leaves near the fruit, you can actually break those leaves off.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, I see.
Nice, Grace.
Good job.
You got the one on the back? The one all the way against the wall.
Good job. The more fruit we protect, the more we'll have. That's so much.